Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Something different today, and this is the last you'll see on this channel of my gold prospecting and mining and rock hounding. Not that we're quitting, but I hope this is good news for all of you. I am splitting off. I have created a whole slew of sites and a new YouTube channel for Michigan prospectors. I will be doing my gold panning, prospecting, rock hounding, rock polishing, and all those type of videos, fossil hunting with my family on Michigan Prospectors YouTube channel. So please do subscribe. Link will be down below. This is a great thing, and I just figure it'll be able to grow its own self and draw in a whole new crowd of people interested in this type of topic. And for those of you who already are following these videos, go on over and subscribe. I'm going to be copying over and all of my work, and also I've got some never before seen footage that I'm processing for Michigan Prospectors YouTube channel. I have a Facebook page, I have a Facebook group, and almost finished an online store. I am setting up an entire prospecting supply store online to go with the whole package, and of course the DIY2 video channel. So please help me out, guys. Go on over there and subscribe. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Actually, I hope to become monetized over there in 30 days. It's a very, very, very tough goal to attain these days, but I aim to reach for it with all I've got and see if we can do that. With your help, we can make that happen. Please head on over, and I'm working on a 1,000 subscriber giveaway for Michigan Prospectors. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll have a really cool celebration and giveaway for you all here as well as there. Maybe 2 separate ones, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I got a lot of cool stuff to come. I promised you guys that I was going to show, I got videos showing how to use the magnet and how it's beneficial coming soon. I've got videos on what the different pans, classifiers, means sifting out the sand. I got all of that coming on Michigan Prospectors. Spring is in the air. I'm going to be outside more. I've got more homesteading videos and really, really cool stuff for this channel. So stay tuned. Subscribe to Michigan Prospectors. Check out the Facebook page. Please join the Facebook group. Even if you're not in Michigan, I've got a lot of material I put together. This is about 1 or 2 months of work all in one place, and years of my learning and studying and compiling data on my websites. I have MichiganProspectors.com. I've got the Facebook page, Facebook group, all the same name. I'll put all the links down below. And if you are at all interested in rock hounding, prospecting, fossil hunting, no matter where you are in the country or the world, check it out, guys. I'm sure there's something there for you, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope to see you there.